Welcome, esteemed students and colleagues. Today, we will illuminate the groundbreaking contributions of Antiochus of Ascalon, a philosopher who not only navigated the tumultuous seas of Hellenistic philosophy, but also sets forth innovative ideas that challenge and redefine prevailing thoughts. By critically examining Antiochus's unique position, we will uncover the depth of his philosophical innovations and their enduring impact on the tradition. The historical and philosophical context. Antiochus lived in a period of philosophical diversity, with schools of thoughts engaging in vibrant debate over the nature of truth, ethics, and of path to happiness. Positioned at a pivotal juncture, Antiochus embarked on a daring project to synthesize and reformulate the teaching of his predecessors, carving out a novel philosophical stance that bridged the divide between skepticism and dogmatism. Antiochus's novel contributions, reframing the skepticism, dogmatism, dichotomy. Antiochus's challenged the academic skeptic practice of suspending judgment on all matters. Unlike his predecessors who viewed skepticism as an end in itself, Antiochus saw it as a stepping stone towards achieving certainty. This shift from skepticism to a modified form of dogmatism represented a radical departure, emphasizing the possibility of attaining true knowledge. Synthesis of philosophical traditions. One of Antiochus's most notable innovations was this syncretic approach to philosophy. He argued that the teaching of Plato, Aristotle, and the Stoics, despite their apparent differences, converged on essential truths, especially concerning ethics. The synthesis was not merely eclectic, but a deliberate effort to demonstrate the underlying unity of philosophical wisdom, suggesting that differences among schools were more about expression than substance. Ethical realism. Antiochus' advanced form of ethical realism that combines Stoic, Platonic, and Aristotelian elements. He posited that virtue is the foundation of happiness, but also recognized the role of external goods in achieving eudaimonia, or flourishing. This nuanced stance countered the Stoic idea that virtue alone suffices for happiness, proposing a more balanced view of human well-being that acknowledges the complexity of human needs and social realities. Epistemological foundations. In epistemology, Antiochus introduced criteria for distinguishing between true and false impressions, arguing that knowledge is attainable through senses and reason. This marks a significant contribution to the debate on the possibility of knowledge, offering a framework for understanding how humans can grasp reality. His impact and legacy. Antiochus's philosophical innovations had a profound impact on subsequent generations, influencing Roman thinkers like Cicero and shaping the Western course of Western philosophy. His work demonstrates the vitality of philosophical inquiry and the importance of engaging with diverse perspectives to uncover deeper truths. In conclusion, Antiochus of Ascalon was not merely a transmitter of philosophical traditions, but a bold innovator who questioned, synthesized, and redefined the philosophical landscape of his time. His contributions invite us to reflect on the nature of knowledge, the pursuit of happiness, and the unity of philosophical wisdom, challenging us to think deeply about the foundations of our own beliefs and values. Let us turn into a discussion now. How do Antiochus's innovations challenge our contemporary understanding of philosophy? In what ways can his approach to synthesis and the pursuit of knowledge inform our current philosophical and ethical debates? Thank you.